All right. So first, we are going to go over using AI when it comes to trading. And then after we go over that, then we're going to go into Canva. So I got some pretty cool stuff to show you all. All right, so we're gonna go to, let's see, and we're gonna go to ChatGPT, like Milena said. All right, and I'm going to go to ChatGPT right here. Somebody's in the waiting room. Yeah, let them in. All right, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT this. All right, I already uploaded. I already downloaded this. Wait, hold on for a second. Wait, let me do this. Let me do this over. And let me go ahead and put the do not disturb so nothing else pops up. All right. All right, we're gonna go to ChatGPT. So I'm going to tell Jack, you could tell ChatGPT your trading style. Sometimes when you like, for instance, if you are not a person that charts very good or whatever, you could ask ChatGPT to chart for you. You can ask ChatGPT to find the support and resistance on a chart. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, give me the support and resistance levels of this chart that I'm gonna upload, right? And please don't wait, please use the bodies of the candlesticks and not the wicks. To explain, wait, to explain even further, I just need one line of resistance and one line of support. And the reason why I have to say it like that is because sometimes, ChatGPT will find the supply and demand too. I mean, you just gotta, tell it. So I just wanted to do simple support and resistance for those beginners because, once I tried it, I was like, wow, this is great for beginners. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and where is my, all right, let me go choose another asset. Hold on. If y'all do crypto futures, Jasmine is right there at the resistance level. So if it breaks out, I would get in. And actually, I have an alert that I didn't even, well, I turned off my alerts. But all right, let's go ahead and go to another asset. Let me go to my watch list and choose another asset. Let's go ahead and choose Pepe. I haven't traded Pepe in a long time. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and put it inside of ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT says about the support and resistance. I don't want to go too far out. All right. Let me go ahead and what ChatGPT can do, ChatGPT knows what time frame I'm on, so it's only going to go on the time frame that I'm on. All right. So now let me take a look at ChatGPT again. Where is my ChatGPT? Did I just delete it? Okay, well, I guess I got to start over again then. That's horrible. All right. Let me go ahead and put the chart in there. All right. Right. Give me the support and resistance levels on this chart. I only want the bodies of the candlesticks and not the wicks. Now, sometimes I'll have it, I'll tell it I want the wicks included so that, I don't get faked out and stuff like that. But today I'm just gonna say the bodies of the candlesticks. I only want one line of resistance and support. Explain the chart and the levels chosen. And if it's closer, wait, and if the last candle is closer to resistance or support, which you could take a look at it on the chart. But this is something that's good for beginners too. Is it closer to resistance or support? And is it a good buy or a sell? Here we go. So what it's going to do is it's going to say to analyze the chart you provided, I'll need to visually interpret the support and resistance levels based on the bodies of the candlesticks. Oops. Wait, I reached my limit, but anyway. Okay, so what it's saying is, right here, it's saying the resistance, the highest point where the bodies of the candles are consistently stopping or reversing from, can be seen there, a whole bunch of zeros, 850. This level appears to have been tested a few times, but the price couldn't break it. Now, the support, the strongest level of support, where the bodies of the candles have consistently found the floor, is near, and we're going to put this in the chart. The last candle is closer to the resistance than the support, as it is around 811, which is near the upper boundary of the chart rather than the lower support. Buy or sell decision. Since the price is closer to the resistance, the risk of a pullback is higher than a breakout. If you're looking for a trade, it may be better to wait for confirmation, like a breakout above resistance, before buying. At this point, selling could be a better short-term move, especially if the price fails to break the resistance level at 850. However, if you anticipate a breakout, you might place a stop loss below 800 to protect against downside risk. Would you like to perform a deeper analysis or confirm more levels? So you could confirm more levels, but we're going to go ahead and plot these. This has, we're going to plot this because anyway, I do want to add alerts so that I can get into the trade later on when it does alert me. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 850 is the resistance. 850, okay. 8, okay. Let me go ahead and redo these coordinations. All right, 850. All right, here we go. There goes the resistance level, as you can see. Now let's go back and see where the support level is at. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 700. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and redo this. I always put the support as green, resistance as red. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it said. And did it say 0? Let me see. All right, 50700. All right, so 50700. Okay, 700. Okay, there we go. All right. So it pretty much got, well, this is my old lines right here when it was down here and I was trading it. So let me get rid of those. All right. So ChatGPT did an okay job. What do y'all think?
Yeah,
I
that was
think it
really
gets.
cool.
You said what?
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. It
Yeah,
did an okay job.
sure. It shows
All
all
right.
that ping ponging and stuff, right?
Yeah, yep. And right here, it really did it. It did it. I didn't want the wicks, but um, I like this chart overall. Okay, I do like this chart, the support and resistance. So there's there's that. You could get deeper, as you can see. It asks for, if I wanted to know more analysis on it. Also, what I use for ChatGPT, I also sometimes ask it to give me 5 stocks in the stock market that are overbought. So sometimes I'll ask it that because um, it has a better, it's more better for it to scale the whole stock market or something like that. So then I don't have to do it and find trades and stuff like that. So I've tested it out. I've tried it. Sometimes I have to, go behind it just to make sure that it's correct. So that's why I plotted the lines. I'm not going to sit there and not have the lines plotted and just go in and not know where, the support. Now it does do, you can ask it for demand zones and supplies. That's why I had to be specific and tell it I just want one line of support, one line, because it'll go deep into it. Oh, and I didn't want it to do that. I just wanted for a person that does not know how to chart. I wanted something easy for them to ask ChatGPT and just plot their lines. That's all I wanted because I know that a lot of people they have a hard time who's never really read charts or anything. And I just felt like, you know what? Let me play with ChatGPT, and that's what I came out. Wait, so do y'all have any questions? Any questions? All
No
right.
question.
Well,
I
I'm
don't use Chat GPT, so is it like is there a special app you use? I say that those different versions, but is there?
Yeah. You know what? I rather y'all use Claude. Claude is really good. This is all my Chat GPTs right here. These are all my AIs. Bard, I like Bard because if I wanted Bard to put it uh in a like an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Doc, Bard is Google. So Bard is connected to all my Google applications. So Bard will sit there and do an Excel spreadsheet for you and stuff like that according to the charts. You have Bing. No, actually, I wouldn't use Bing. Bing is okay. Bing is, I don't use it to do all that stuff, searching for me stocks, all that stuff. I do use Bard, but Claude is really good. Claude seems to be the one that is beating out ChatGPT and Bard. So this one right here, Claude is good. Um, per perplexity is good too, but I would use Claude.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, so now let me go on to Canva because we're gonna touch into more trading stuff next time, but I really want to show y'all Canva because I want y'all to just get excited about Canva. So let me show y'all what I did. Um, let me show y'all what I did. So today I had to produce some content, right? Had to produce some content and hold on, see. So this is the content that I produced today for my page. I was letting everybody know that Palantir, um, I was letting everybody know that Palantir is entering the S&P, was entering the S&P 500 today. So it did enter the S&P 500 today. I'm into AI and Palantir uses AI to help, all that other stuff, the data and everything. So I just felt like, hey, this is a good opportunity to do um, content on my page. Because if I was just to write this out on my page, nobody's looking at it. All right. So let me show you something. So this basket right here, let me go get the original basket of this of this. So let me show y'all something, because this image right here, this wasn't the real image. Let me show you what I did. So, okay, so we open up Canva first of all. What you could do, let me go back to the beginning, because somebody might be new to Canva. For the most part, Canva is free, but to get the other, um, to get the other features, it's good to go pro. I like Canva a lot. I did post I did post a Canva alternative in my AI group, and I have my partners on here too because they manage the AI group too. So so we go right here. This is what you'll see. And this, I'm using my phone. I do all my content on my cell phone because sometimes I'm on the go. I don't have time to fire up a laptop all the time. So all my content is mostly on my cell phone. I need it quick, fast, and that's it. So what you would do is you would click on the plus sign, right? And you could go ahead and click on, flyer, whatever shape you want it. I usually use presentation because I want it like a rectangular and stuff like that. But we're going to go back over here because I wanted to show y'all something cool, right? So, all right. Let me go back to the basket that I was talking to you all about. And let me go ahead and wait, let me delete this because I actually want to upload. See, and I posted this on my page. Just, I used AI for this too, for the bag, the basket, everything, because I wanted to show the S&P 500 is the top 500 stocks of the United States. So we're going to go ahead and go to my gallery. We're going to go to my gallery. And let me show you my original picture. All right, let me show you my original picture of this. Let's see. Wait. All right, this original picture was this one right here. Okay. Add as a new page, right? So I did this through AI, right? I did this through AI, right? Now imagine, right? So the basket is right here now. It's on the right hand side. But originally, when I did AI with this image, it was in the middle. And this is the problem that I was having. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and put it over, slide it over here to there. Look at that. The words, you can't even read the words, and the basket is in the way. So this is what I had to do. Let me delete. Oops, hold on for a second. Let me delete this, right? This is what I had to do. I click on this, my AI image, and I go to, let's see, I go to, no, wait, is it Magic Studio? Okay, I go to Magic Studio, right? And I go to Magic Grab, right? I click on Magic Grab because what I want is I want to grab this basket right here. It's bothering me. So I did Magic Grab and it didn't even do the whole basket. So now I got to click some more over it and just tell it, okay, the whole basket, right? So now I'm going to grab it. Now you could tap on it or you could do a brush so that you can get, everything. But now it's grabbing that image that's in there. Now I could look. So now I'm gonna put this image right here. Now remember, this was all one image. It was all one image. I grabbed that image and said, you know what? Hey, you're in my way. How am I gonna put content over here, right? So this is what I'm gonna do, right? I go ahead and duplicate this, and now I add it to the last thing. You see how when I moved the basket, I was able to add my words to it, right? Now this, I usually put like we see this in the background right there, where it's kind of, you can't really see some of those words because we got that white. I usually go to elements and I go to black blur. I could have easily, here we go. I go to black blur and look at the black blur right here, right? I'm gonna go right here. So you see how when I put it over there, that white is out of there, right? But I do want to show the TV. I do want to show the TVs in the back. I don't want it to totally disappear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on transparency because I still want to see the image a little bit, but I want the words to pop out. Remember, before that black blur, the words were getting drowned inside that TV over there. All right, let me show y'all another. Let me take this out. Let me take this black blur out. Let's see if we could try to grab that TV because let's say it was just bothering me and I don't want that TV. So what we're gonna do is click on the picture, the total picture, and go to Magic Studio. And we're gonna go ahead and grab again, right? So it's analyzing what I can grab. I don't want none of those, I want this one, right? Now it's gonna take all that. I could do the brush, but I don't want to do the brush. I'll just take the whole screen out and see what it's gonna do to replace that screen. I'm gonna grab it. All right, and I could go ahead and grab it and put it somewhere else or just delete it. Just sit there and say, you know what, you're out of there. So I can just throw it away, delete it. Boom, there it goes. Right? Move this over here on this side, put the words on that side. All right, so now let me show you something else cool that we can do. Y'all have any questions? Any questions?
You
Any
need
questions?
do you get the AI with the free version, or you gotta have the pro for the AI?
You gotta, I believe you gotta have the pro.
Okay.
There's a lot of things that you could do with the free one, but no, I have I have a teacher account, so it's free for me anyways.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, all right. So what I did
Okay.
is I created a new project, and I used, let me go back here. I used put the plus sign and I did 16 by 9 presentation because I want it rectangle. All right, so let's go. Let me go back because apparently it didn't take. All right. Canva is a beast. All right. For all of those that are an investor, Canva is about to be in the stock market. I'm in AI. I'm deep in AI. My partners are deep in AI. That's what we do. We eat, breathe AI. So, of course, I am going to invest in Canva. Canva, I remember I didn't think I was creative enough. Canva makes me feel like I am like a content, that I can graphic design and all that stuff because it's just so much in there. Canva has even brought AI into here. You could do everything, images, voices. You could do talking cartoons. I mean, that's gonna come down the line because we're gonna go deep into Canva. A lot of people joined the AI Canva group just to learn everything. You could do flyers. Once you learn how to do flyers, you can sell that. Somebody that needs flyers, somebody now needs a flyer from me. I got to make that for him. What a couple of a couple of weeks ago, we created a T-shirt using Canva. My son is 15 years old. He created his T-shirt. I put him on AI. He created it. I printed it out. He's wearing it. And we went over that class, you know, a couple of weeks ago, and y'all got the replay. No, actually, we didn't. The replay got messed up for that one, but we did other stuff that you all can do, flyers, everything. I did a Missy Elliott bootleg shirt. I mean, it was crazy. All right, so let's go right here with the 16 by 9 presentation rectangle. All right, so what we're gonna do, some people they like to have words and then they like to have like an image behind it. I'm gonna go with the image, you know, be in a text, right? And then maybe next week we're gonna do a video inside the text. So today I'm gonna keep it simple. Um, so what we're gonna do is first I'm going to go to elements and look for a square. All right. I'm gonna go look for shapes, right? And the shape I want is this square right here, right? So I want to put it all the way just a little bit, not covering all the sides, but I'm gonna put that right there. I want to change this color to black. So you have to click not outside where the white is at, but this yellow, I don't want a yellow square. So I'm going to hit this color A right here. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go ahead and click black. And I don't know why it didn't go through. Oh, wait, hold on. There it goes. I wonder why it's not changing the, okay, hold on for a second. Let me change this color again. All right, there we go. All right, so now it's black. Now I want to add some words to it. So I'm going to click on text and heading. So I clicked on text and heading. I'm going to go ahead, before it starts writing, I'm going to go ahead and change it to white, right? And give me a simple word, just a simple word. Anybody? Give me a simple word.
Okay, I'm gonna say Canva.
All right, Canva. All right. So we're gonna do Canva. I'm going to go, see where it says Canva Sans? I don't want that font. I want Anton. There it goes right there. You can pick any font that you want, doesn't really matter. I just want that font. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload this, download it. All right, we're gonna download that. All right, that's downloaded. Now we're gonna add another page. All right, with the other page, we are going to add an image, which I already uploaded. I already uploaded an image right here. Nice little beach. All right, wait. Let me put this in the middle. And this I created with AI. Canva has an AI in here where you can create images like this too. I just put create a hyper realistic image of a beautiful beach with a coconut tree. That's what I said. So it gave me this. Now I want to upload that image that I just downloaded that said Canva. All right, but sometimes it acts up. Let me
Did you
try it again.
download that in Canva or did you go to Google to download that or someplace else?
I went to this right here. I went to Bing. Bing does ChatGPT does a good job with images too. I just have to put hyper realistic for some of the stuff that I want. Sometimes
Well,
I do cartoons, I do avatars in there, but you can use any AI or you can use the AI inside of Canva.
what is is there a difference or a better one for different projects that you're working on?
No, you could use it's to your liking. Some people like Bing, some people like doing the images in Canva. What is this saying? All right, I'm gonna have to. This is acting up again too. All right, this is not what I wanted. I wanted this one to work. All right, hold on for a second. Let me see if I have to turn off my. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have to do this all over again. All right, so we got it. Whew, okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, you can use any image generator. It's to your own liking. If you know how to talk to your chat GPT to get it to spit out images, then you'll have beautiful images like this. It's really not that hard. I just put create an image, create a hyper realistic image of a beautiful beach with coconut, with the coconut tree. That's all I said. I keep it simple. Now let me go ahead and go right here, and it's uploading that Canva that we had. Y'all notice that I did one that said MBA. I did one that said Canva AI. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this, right? We're gonna choose that. You notice how we can't see the beach through the words, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So we have to go to Magic Studio, and we have to use the background remover of these words. I'm going to click on the background remover. We see the words, but we're not done yet. All right, y'all see that?
That's cool how you can see the image through the words.
Yeah, and that's what I wanted to show y'all tonight, so that y'all could do it. Oh, but I can't get too out of there. All right, there we go. I gotta put it down a bit. Okay, hold on for a second. I want to make sure that I'm not getting the white parts out of it. So I may just have to. All right, there we go. All right. Now I can put this down. Okay. So what I want to do is, okay, so we already got that out of there, right? So what I'm gonna do is go to, let me first click on this. We're gonna go to FX Effects, which is down here, FX Effects. We're gonna go to Dew Tone, right? We're gonna go to Cherry, click on the settings right here, and I want the shadows to be white. So you see how it's white right there? I got to do a little better job over here because it's still showing the, okay, there we go. Let me go back to Magic Studio because I want it a little bit more whiter. Not Magic Studio, FX, Dew Tone, Cherry. See, it wasn't really that white. I have to make sure I kind of put it right there. All right, this, we're gonna have to deal with that. Okay, let's do this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload this, download this again. I'm going to download the second page. All right, so that did it. Now we're gonna add a third page. Hold on. All right, we're gonna add a third page and we're going to go ahead and upload that image that we had. And add it to this page right here. What we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and do Magic Studio and take away the background. So it could just be the words. All right, so now it's part of, all right, so we get to do that. All right. So I kind of cut it off over here, but y'all get the whole gist of everything. Canva, right? And that's how we get to have an image inside of the words. Next week, I'm going to go over having a video. So this is going to be, the video is going to be in the words. And that's going to get eyeballs on your page when you do stuff like this, having words and stuff like that. I could easily upload this, right, download this, and tell it a transparent background. So it doesn't even have, it's just gonna do just the words when you upload it. It's not gonna have this square background or nothing like that. So do y'all have any questions? It's 8:42 also, so I did it just under an hour. Any questions?
When you download, do you save it as a PNG or a JPEG?
When I download it, I always, oh, you
Mhm.
know what? I automatically have it on PNG. So thank you for asking that question because I have to choose PNG. So it knows that I always do PNG. That's why I kept it there. But if you don't have it on there, click PNG because if you do JPEG and let's say somebody zooms in on your picture, you know how like when you zoom in on an image, it loses the pixels. But with the PNG, it's kind of like forever. It's kind of like you could stretch it out and stuff like that. And it's not gonna lose its pixels. So thank you for asking that question. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Nope, that was good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, definitely. The class is going to be the same time next week.
For which class? Because I do the Thursday at 8 p.m. We're doing the candlestick. Now we're back in the candlestick because now I know you know how to do support and resistance. Karen, not even gonna lie, Karen surprised me because she was acting like, you know, like she didn't want to do it, but she really surprised all of us in class. She did it,
Yeah.
and she did a great job. So, and you did too. You did a great job.
Thank, thank
Cause
you, thank
now,
you.
cause now you get what we mean by the ping pong, and then it breaks out.
Right, right. Um, well, we still got that one-on-one tomorrow, or no?
Yeah, I think Karen, do I have a one-on-one with you too
You do, but
tomorrow?
we may have to move it to
Oh,
Wednesday. So
okay,
if
that's fine.
Michael wants to go, cause I have a family emergency I may have to take care of.
Well, I was gonna take both of y'all. I was gonna do, cause Michael well, I had Michael on Sunday, but we had technical difficulties, but he ready to roll. He ready to roll.
I'll
Yeah,
PM you.
Okay.
yeah. Well, when's the next class like this?
Oh, what? So you're interested in Canva too?
Oh, come on now. This stuff is getting me crazy,
Let me
Rosa.
tell you something. That group, our group is almost hitting 900. So a lot of people want to learn AI, Canva, everything. I mean, it's just a lot going on in there. We used to do classes. Well, have you seen the replays that we posted in there?
I have not yet, no, because I've been,
Actually,
trying to get in with the candlesticks, but now
okay.
we got this going, you know what I mean? And this kind of like bit hard today, so
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got to get some more. But anyway,
Some
and
more of those,
are
right?
you y'all got to look at that Palantir because I checked it out today, Rosa, and
Mm-hmm.
I mean the weekly and the monthly stats on that look real good. You know what I mean?
Michael, you looked at the chart?
I did. I mean, well, on Fidelity and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, Michael, let's take a look real quick before we go. Let's take a look real quick. I can't believe you did your due diligence and you was like, I'm gonna go look at this Palantir. PLTR. There we go. Palantir right here. Let's go ahead and see. I can't believe I charted this. I used to trade this too. So let's go ahead and see if. So here goes the stock right here, Palantir. And let me delete all that. And let's go ahead and take a look at, well, since it looks like it broke out, to be honest with you. It looked like it broke out. And then we got the bottom right here, resistance, I mean support. This looks tradable for tomorrow. Let me take a look at the past and see if I could. Oh, this been going up. You see that? It had a little drop over there, but then it continued going up. Let me take a look. This is the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the monthly and see how the monthly looking. Where is it? I hate when I can't find these charts. Okay, there you go. All right, so it's been going up for a couple of months here. It's been going up for a couple of months. This is definitely tradable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the week, the daily actually. Oh, that's at resistance right there. Definitely. Thank you for looking at the chart and telling us, Michael. You holding out on us. You could have told me this earlier this today. Michael. Hello? Michael, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah, you could have told me this earlier.
Yeah,
But
well, I wasn't.
mhm.
Yeah, I just grabbed me a little bag, and I don't know if I was going to trade it or do you hold on to it? I don't know.
No, I would do both. I will hold on to it and do both. But wow, I can't believe like you just took the class just what uh 2 weeks ago and you already in the market. That's great. And you're looking
Well,
at the chart. You're looking at the chart. That's
hmm
really good. That's
yeah,
really good.
yeah.
So I'm proud of you.
Oh, yeah. Um, you gonna drop that gold stock tonight?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Yeah, I know I got busy today, but yeah, I'm definitely going to yeah, after this class, I'm gonna drop because it's only $3.
yeah, yeah.
three
I'll
dollars
go.
and gold is moving. So I want to tell all of y'all, even if y'all don't trade or anything like that, don't worry because investing in stocks and crypto and all that stuff that's coming to the AI group too. But um yeah, that AI stock is I mean not AI stock, that gold stock it's good to get into it now because Bitcoin and gold, um, especially Bitcoin, tends to move with the election and all that stuff. And I've been here before where every time it gets to be the summertime, the stocks and and crypto especially goes down in the summertime. So that's my
Mm,
accumulation. That's where I accumulate. But then come January, October, November, December, January, I mean, stuff starts shooting up. So I've been here like 3 times, 3, 4 times. And every summer is the time when I accumulate on assets. But other than that, yes, I'm gonna have that gold stock to you.
yeah, I'm gonna
Um,
grab me a bag of that. So,
yeah, yep. And
and
but I will be so for y'all that want to learn how to read the charts, I do a free class every Thursday, which Michael's gonna be there. I know Michael's gonna be there. Every Thursday in the Discord. So I do that in the Discord free, and that's every Thursday. And then we have 2 classes in here. We have the AI Canva group and we have MBA Discord. So I said, let me knock, 2 birds with 1 stone.
yeah,
But Rose, I
Being
want
that,
to answer his question. He asked when the next class. I believe the next class is going to be tomorrow. Paul's going to be doing it tomorrow.
oh yeah, yeah. Carl's gonna be doing the class tomorrow, and I believe
What class is that?
that's the AI, but it's also the Discord. I'm gonna drop the link in the Discord too, so it's gonna be in
okay.
both.
What's
Yeah,
difference between that one and the one you do or teach?
nothing. The Thursday class is mostly is in the Discord. That's the candlestick.
Uh-huh.
The AI, the
Right.
AI, the AI class is in our group. It's another group on Facebook. It's just the AI Canva, and the people in the Discord can also get into. Which Mike, he's in the Discord. We have 11 Bang Bang in the Discord. And I believe Katie Pearson, is she in the Discord or she's the AI? I think she's probably AI. Katie, are you in the AI group?
Yeah, I think I'm in the AI group.
Okay, yeah, you're in the AI group. Yeah. Karen's in both of them. So Karen's in both of them. Michael's in both of them. Okay. But yeah, that'll be tomorrow. AI is coming to the Discord too. So also crypto. We starting over in crypto. It's not going to be 6 weeks.
When
So
does that start, Rosa?
we supposed to be kicking it off in Discord in October.
Oh, okay.
Slowing it down just for you, Karen. Because I'm not even gonna front. Karen gives me a hard time. She hates long classes, so she'll sit there and tell me You going over 30. I'm surprised she didn't tell me now that we're at 9
Girl,
o'clock.
you
She
you
likes it to
said
be
even
30
before
minutes.
even before this one, your other one was like what you told me 8 weeks before that. The other
No,
one.
no, it was no. The other one last year was 3 months, and I feel like those people have a better understanding with crypto than some people. Some people are fast learners. I mean, I see Catherine. She's on my page. She's in the stock market and crypto. She trades meme coins, and she's in the stock market, getting her passive income because she just bought 100 shares of, I think, Coney, CONY, and she gets like $100 a month, and she's continue adding. So she's a fast learner because she's advanced now in crypto. Once she took that 6 weeks class, she was one that did not know crypto at all. She didn't know what it was. She didn't know why I was talking about it. But once she took that 6 weeks class, she flew, and she ain't turning back. And even in the stock market, she's more, instead of trading, she's more, because she didn't take the trading, she didn't take the stock options trading class. She is more an investor, but she's still making money even though she is not trading. She's investing. That woman literally have the stock market give her $100 every month, and it's constantly growing because she's constantly adding. And with her turning her drip on, which that $100, she doesn't want to spend it. She wanted to buy more shares, so it's constantly buying her more shares and more shares and more shares. It's doing the work for her. So I'm proud of her too. But I am proud of you, Karen, because a lot of times I get upset and I'm like, oh God, Karen, there she goes again. She's complaining. No, but then I listen and I sit there and say, look, I gotta get off in 30 minutes because I want to make sure that I don't go over and that y'all don't get bored. Y'all and that y'all keep it. Whatever I'm teaching y'all, that y'all keep it with you, but y'all can't keep it if it's 1 hour, 2 hours. You get what I'm saying? When me and Moody did that stock options, that it was kind of hard for me and Moody to not go over. I was like, we cannot go over. We have Karen there. She gonna make sure she tell us. So Karen, thank you for giving me constructive criticism. Really, Karen. Okay, well, I
What was
guess she
that now?
disappeared. I said thank you for giving me constructive criticism.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. So Carl is gonna do tomorrow, so we'll have that, and then DeAndrea, I believe she's doing. What day are you doing, DeAndrea?
I'm doing Friday morning
Okay,
at 9.
DeAndrea is doing Friday morning, so I'll make sure I have that out. I'll make sure 11 Bang Bang gets
I
the
might do
time.
some giveaways tomorrow.
Giveaways, okay. Well, shoot, I like free stuff. Give me something before you give the whole group something.
You already got it.
Yeah. All
Yeah, I
right.
might
Well,
do
Uh,
some temporary
11 Bang Bang.
giveaways. I'm
11
gonna
Bang
do
Bang. So, what did you think about the class? 11 Bang Bang. Let me stop the recording. 11 Bang Bang, are you there?